In Illustrator, if you've ever taken a shape and tried to expand it, to grow perfectly around its edges using the scale tool, you know this does not work. For example, this really complex shape right here. I'm going to copy it, Command C, paste it on top, Command F, and let me change its color. So now I got a green one. Let me move that green one to the back. So I've still got it selected, but it's behind my pink. If I use scale, if I hold down Shift to constrain it, notice how it grows that shape, scales it up, but it does not grow it where it's perfectly aligned around my pink shape. If you want this perfect grow around, you need to use a different technique, and let me show you how. Let me delete the my selection tool, delete the green, and now I've got my pink. So I've got my pink complex shape. I want to go to Object, Path, Offset Path. When I offset the path, Illustrator creates a new shape and it grows it right now 8 points. So it will grow at exactly 8 points. If I use my arrow key up and down, you'll see I can grow even further and it expands that shape, or I can shrink it down. I'm going to leave it at about 8 points and I'll do OK. Let me change its color so you can really see the effect. Nice. So I have the yellow shape behind the pink shape, but it is exactly 8 points outside of the pink shape. This is a great effect if you want to create stickers where you can have like a white background behind your top shape so it looks like it's a sticker that's got that white background. It's also great if you actually want to make real stickers. You can do some cool effects with this too. Let me change that yellow to a stroke and you'll see that I've got this cool outline effect. If I select it and I do that again, Object, Path, Offset Path, I do another 8, and then maybe I'll do it again, Object, Path, Offset Path. You can create some really cool effects here that always align, that are always exactly 8 pixels or however much out, and it will resolve some of these weird spots where the shape lines may run into each other. Same thing, same effect for using a rounded corner square. I'll do Path, Offset Path. I can increase that however much I want to, and then I can do OK. Let me change its color too, and you'll see something brighter. And you'll see that it is exactly aligned outside of that pink, and it works every single time. So offset path, that's the way you need to make, that's the tool you need to use to make these kinds of perfect shapes that always have an expanded background around them. Hope that helps, and happy designing.